Hey guys, welcome back to Bikes and Drones. I'm out for a bit of a blast with Michelle on a 2 or 3 day ride, heading into Ho Chi Minh Trail. A Buffalo Soldier. Tough job today. Take the buffalo for a walk. It's a lovely road in a lot of places, but there are gravel and unexpected things like dogs and people and buffaloes. So you can never really go 10/10. Ah.
Hello, little guy. You got a short chain, huh? Yeah. Nothing to eat but plastic. Ah, alright, give me your ass. You can see the future, guys, huh?
Yeah.
You can see the future.
See the future from the...
Get the heads chopped off and all the feathers pulled out.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's finished there. I just gave us a little chat. We're doing 59 in a 40k zone. And go blind. And they let us off. I offered them a bribe, but they didn't take it. I did mention that the camera was filming them. So anyway, didn't mention that I don't have a license.
I have license.